And here are the results from our blood typing test. So victim number 3, and I will zoom in a little bit closer here. So victim number 3 did have obvious clumping in this first well. In the second well, although not as distinct of clumps, there is a gel-like consistency. And then in the third well, there is definitely a gel-like and a clumping consistency there. So there was a clumping or gel-like reaction in all 3 of the wells for victim number 3. For victim number 4, there are no signs of clumping in this first well. There are no signs of clumping in this second well. And then there are no signs of clumping in the third well for victim number 4. So no signs of clumping or gel-like consistencies in any of the 3 wells. And then this last one is the blood from inside of the gloves. So the sample we found inside the glove. And if we look, there is no clumping in this first well, no clumping in the second well, but a definite gel-like formation and clumping in this third well. And that was the blood from inside of the gloves.